Looking for a car that's fun, affordable, and seriously underrated? I'm the Car Genie, and today we're unlocking the joyride that is the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios. Spoiler, this might be the most fun you can experience in a small hatch. Let's break it down. The Grand i10 Nios isn't a new headline grabber, but that's what makes it great. It's zippy, responsive, and offers premium comfort in a surprisingly small package. It competes with budget cars, but drives like it's in a different class. Let's talk fun. The 1.2-liter Kappa petrol engine is peppy without being punishing. Light steering, smooth gear shifts, whether manual or AMT, and just enough road feedback to keep you engaged. This car is made for city zipping, tight corners, and weekend getaways. You'd expect basic in this price range, but the Grand i10 Nios surprises. 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear AC vents, semi-digital cluster, and that two-tone interior, it punches way above its weight. Space-wise, it's comfy for 4 adults and great for small families. You're not just buying fun, you're buying smart. With over 20 kilometers per liter mileage, low maintenance costs, and Hyundai's strong resale and service network, the i10 Nios delivers serious long-term value. And yes, safety features like ABS, dual airbags, and an optional 6-airbag variant make it a solid pick. Is it the fastest? No. Is it the most luxurious? Of course not. But for the price, the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios might be the most fun you can experience on real-world roads without blowing your budget. I'm the Car Genie. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff car advice and real buyer insight. See you in the next ride.